In this video, we will be replacing the side marker lights in this 2012 Ford F-150.
Through the driver's side door, we want to locate the hood release latch and raise the hood. And taking a look at our headlamp assembly, we have two fasteners located on the top and one fastener located on the left side, this being for the driver's side headlamp. And these are 10mm fasteners. If we use some pressure and pull straight outwards, we can dislodge that headlamp assembly. If we take a little closer look, we can see two metal tabs that were holding this in place.
Taking a look at our assembly, we have our headlamp location in the center. We have our blinker bulb location towards the base, and we have our side marker light location off to the side of our assembly. And after identifying the side marker light location, we can rotate that counterclockwise and work that out of our assembly.
And that side marker bulb will pull straight out. And I always like to compare my old bulb with my new bulbs. This takes a bulb number 168 for those side marker lights. And we will use a pair of cloth gloves to install these to avoid touching the glass. And on this socket, it is worth noting that one of the tabs is a little bit larger than the other three tabs, so we do want to orient this properly when we install it.
And a quarter turn clockwise will lock that in place.
And access to the passenger side is the exact same, as well as the procedure is the exact same that we followed for the driver's side. And with our bulb replaced, we can reseat that headlamp assembly, as well as reinstall those three fasteners. And this repair is complete.